Hi, my name is Patty Mastracco, and I am a Grand Pacific Resorts owner at my favorite Olympic Village Inn. And every year I do cooking videos for Grand Pacific Resorts, and they always have a theme. And this year's theme is peaches. So I'm going to be showing you some super easy recipes using fresh, frozen, or even canned peaches. And they're all so easy you can make them in any timeshare. So today I'm making a really fresh salsa. It's made with fresh peaches. It's a peachy jalapeno salsa. Super easy again, 5 ingredients. So I've got some really nice fresh peaches here, and I like to say firm but ripe. You don't want them too hard. They're not going to be nice and juicy, but you don't want them too soft because they're going to be hard to chop. So then all I'm going to add is some minced red onion. I'm going to add some minced jalapeno peppers. And if you like the heat, go ahead and add a lot. If you're not so much a fan, then maybe cut back a little bit. And then just a splash of lime juice. Give it a quick stir. And then here's a really fun tip for chopping fresh herbs. So what I like to do is put them in a jar. It could be a measuring cup, a coffee cup. Use your kitchen scissors and then just start snipping away. So you have no messy, sticky bits of herbs stuck to the knife, stuck to the cutting board. Everything is nicely contained. Yeah, this is just keeps everything so neat and clean, and this is one of my favorite kitchen tips ever. All right, so when you've got it all minced up, I'm going to add some of that to your salsa. Give it a quick stir again. And then I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour for the flavors to blend. You don't have to, but it really makes a difference flavor-wise. All right, so I'm just going to give it a cover, and I'm going to pop it in the fridge for about an hour. And you could actually make this a day ahead if you want. You could make it a few hours ahead, but I'm just going to cover it up, and I'm going to put it in the fridge. All right, here we go. We had our peach salsa sitting in the fridge for about an hour, so all the flavors could blend. Got the sweet peaches and the spicy jalapenos. So at this point, you can either put it in a nice dish to serve out on your patio, or what you can do is just transfer it to a to-go container, or you can pack it up to take it to the slopes, take it to the beach, take it on a picnic. Super fun with some really good chips. So did you know that one fresh peach contains 50 calories, no sodium, no cholesterol, 2 grams of fiber, and it has 15% of your vitamin C you need for the day. All right, so I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try. It's a really nice change of pace from classic red salsa that we're used to. So fresh peaches are only in season for a short time, so really take advantage of the summer, grab them and get some nice, ripe, juicy stone fruit peaches and make this yummy salsa.